Hey, Sophie, what you doing up there?
Just gonna exercise.
Matt, are you exercising too?
No, he's like, I need a beat. So I have to show the video monitor.
Matt, scoot over for Sissy. Come down. Go drink your hot chocolate. Whoa. Matt, can you go up there without falling off? You're gonna fall.
Mom, did you know my legs are almost as big as yours?
Yeah, you have really long legs. Hey.
Huh.
Hey.
Feel my legs, Mama.
What about them? Are they strong? Ooh, you have strong legs. Do you have strong legs too? Let's see how strong your legs are. Ooh, strong legs. Bubby, can you say strong?
Down.
What?
In.
Can you say strong legs?
Move the camera down.
Strong legs. Oh, look at her doing push-ups.
Look up.
Can you do push-ups? Push-ups for Bob. Okay, say bye-bye.
Wait, I have something to show you.
Okay, real quick, because this is going to die.
Bye-bye.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say
Bye-bye.
Okay, let Bubby say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.